Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Notion databases using exports and restore procedures, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin backing up your Notion databases, open the Notion app on your device. Navigate to the workspace that contains the database you wish to export. Select the database by clicking on it to open it in the main view. Once your database is open, locate the three-dot menu icon in the top right corner. Click on the three-dot menu to reveal additional options. From the drop-down menu, select the Export option. In the Export settings, choose your preferred file format. You can select between Markdown, CSV, or PDF formats for your export. Decide whether you want to include subpages in your export. Check the appropriate box if you wish to include all related content. Click the Export button to initiate the process. Wait for the export to complete, which may take a moment depending on the size of your database. Once completed, the download will begin automatically. Find the exported file in your designated download location on your device. For future reference, store this file in a secure backup location. To restore your database from an export, open the Notion app again. Create a new page or select an existing page where you want to import your database. Click on the page to open it, then locate the Import option in the sidebar. From the Import options, select the appropriate format that you previously exported. Upload the exported file from your device. Wait for Notion to process the import, which may take a few moments. After the import is complete, review the newly created database to ensure everything is in order. Verify that all your data, properties, and formatting are intact. Finally, make any necessary adjustments or organization within the newly restored database. This will ensure that your Notion workspace remains organized and up to date. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.